Hi friends, I am Riju. Today we are planning to discussing the topic Azure Virtual Network Peering. So what is the learning object today we are planning to discussing? We define Azure Virtual Network Peering and type of virtual network peering and demo and how to we can create the network peering. So let's go for our learning objective today. So what is the virtual network peer? Simple things. Extend the private network to the another region. Example, you can see here virtual network A, virtual network B, and virtual network C. Okay, so this is different region. If you are hosting this one in the East US or this one in the Europe or if this one in the India Asia, so you needed to connect. You needed to extend your network connectivity to the another region. You can use with the virtual network peering. Same like you can use the VPN. So what is the benefit? Connecting the multiple VNet to the act as a single network. You can connect with the multiple virtual network. So you can connect with the this because VNet you can connect with VNet B and VNet. So you can get the connectivity between the VNet A and VNet C and VNet B and VNet A also. So you can make the connectivity vice versa and keep all traffic to the Microsoft backbone because this traffic will not connect with the public network. All the connectivity go through the Microsoft special backbone and peer across the region subscription antenna. You can peer across the region subscription antenna because you if example this is your another region East US and this one in the Europe, you can pair this one with the STS because there are no any. So you can pair across the region, and also you can pair across. You can also pair with the different subscriptions will also. And peering network address space is that does not overlap. That is one of the important things. Example, in your VNet virtual network A, you have the address space is 10.0.0. So if another VNet C the same address space, this will not be allowed to peering. So every time you are careful because your virtual network address space cannot be overlapped. So next one, type of the virtual network peering. So what's the type is available? There are two types available, region and global. Okay. So we will just discuss what is the regional and what is the global. So you can go for here, regional virtual network peering, connect the Azure virtual network with existing same region. So this one is like a region pair because the same region, you can see here the same region, the virtual network A and virtual network will be connected with the same connected to the same network, right? What is a global virtual network peering means connect the virtual network that exists in the different region. So here you can see the region 2 and here you can see the region 1. So this connectivity is called as global peering. So because you are connected with the different region, so region, so you now understand what is the global virtual network peering and region. Region means the same region you will be peering, that is called as the regional peering. And if you peering with the different region is called global peering. Okay, so let's you understand what is the region virtual network peering and global virtual network peering. So let's we will discuss for next one. What we will create one lab for the network peering. So here you can see two virtual network and three virtual network, and we will connect with the global peering and we will connect with the local peering. So now I will go for our portal, then I will show you the same architecture diagram how to we can create the network peering. Hi friends, now I reach our portal portal.azure.com. So just I will show you what the predefined whatever I do. So I just go to first resource group. I just create three resource group, RJ01, RJ02, the same region East US, and one in the another region like a West Europe region. Then I just create the virtual network. I will show you that one also. VNet 01, VNet 02 and VNet 0. The VNet 0 and 02 is the same region and VNet 0 is in the another region, okay, West. Then I just create one virtual machine, three virtual machines, the same VM01 the same region and VM03 in the different region. So this one connect with the versus VNet 01, and this one connect with the VNet 02, and this one connect with the VNet 0. But this West Europe and same region. So what is our choice means we need to create our the peering. So first how to we can create. So you can go to your virtual machines. So VM0. First I will go to my first virtual machine. So here you can directly go with your virtual network VNet 01, or otherwise you can coming from here virtual network and go for your virtual network East US region first. Then here you can see the peering. The same virtual network we will select, and you can go here the downside, just scroll this one. Here you can see the peering. Just click the peering. Here you need to create your peering. So first you need to know out where I will peer now. VNet 01 to VNet 02. So this is like a regional peering. I just click this add. Then you need to create your peering. Just that. So here this virtual network you need to create your peering link. So what is a peering link? This one VNet 01 to VNet 02. So remote, and here you can see one option for peering to the work. Two peering link must be created. By selecting remote virtual network, Azure will be create both peering. So once you creating the virtual network peering, the VNet 01 and VNet 0 means vice versa will be VNet 01 also get peering, and also VNet 02 also same time get the peering. So I will show you. So remote virtual network VNet 01. So just type here also VNet 02 and VNet, because this one reverse 01. So just to go for resource group. Here you can mention everything. Allow virtual network east to and access the peered virtual network. You can see here selection this option allow the traffic between VNet 01 to east region to the VNet 01 to the east region. And this one allow VNet receive the forward traffic from the peered virtual network, and allow the gateway in the VNet 01, and enable the VNet 01 use the peered version into remote gateway. If you are using the remote gateway, you just click enable. Okay. Currently I am not use any virtual network remote gateway. So just we will go for here. Then everything is ready. Then also virtual network you need to select a subscription, and also you need to select your virtual network. So which virtual network I will select? This one they will ask you the remote virtual network. I will select VNet 02. So virtual network you need to peer, you select that peering the virtual network. So here which one will I will VNet 01 to I will peer with the remote virtual network VNet 02. Then also same allow VNet user to access the VNet one. Then you need to select which one you need to, and allow VNet East US resident to receive the forward traffic from VNet. So allow, you just click the allow button. If you are using gateway, you just click the enable the VNet 0 East resident to use VNet East resident to remote gateway. So just I will go to click add it. So you can see here two peering automatically created the wise VNet 0 to 01 to 02 and also 02 to 01. So just waiting for the update, take a little bit second. Okay, after finish I will come back. Okay, now you can see here our VNet 01 to VNet 2 already connected. So now our peering is completed. So we just go for our virtual network. We will check our VNet 02 also. So you just go for here. Just we will go for the peering. So here you can see also VNet 02. I told you the when you make the peering with the two network, the automatically create the both side the peering. So how to we can check our peering is work? I just go for our virtual machine. So here we have two virtual machine VM01 and 0. I just ping with this VM01 to 02. So just I will go for our remote desktop connectivity. Then I will check this one VM02. So what is IP here? IP config. So here showing 10.2.1.4. So because this VM01. So just I will go for our VM01. What is the IP address? 10.1.1. So we just ping with 10.2.1.4. See, now our ping is working. So you can just also check your VM02 also. Ping 10.1.1.4. So now the ping is properly valid because we are paired with the VM0. So you need to doubt, you just ping with the your third VM. So what is the third VM? Here your third VM, you just go for here and just CMD. What is the IP here? IP config. So 10.3.1.4. We will try to ping our first virtual machine 10.1.1.4. See, so ping, just write ping, the ping, just ping. See, you don't get the ping. Okay. So what we will do? We just before we need to go for, we just make one thing. Ping 10.1.1.4 minus ping. So now you understand we are the VM03 not ping with the VM1. Okay, so just we will now pair with the VM03 to VM1. Okay, just we will go for our Microsoft Virtual Network. Okay, now we will make another pairing VNet01 to VNet03. So just click VNet01, then you go for pairing. Same process what we will do before. Just add peering link VNet01 to VNet03. Remote virtual network pairing link VNet03 to VNet01. Okay, so which network you need to pair? I need to West Europe. So this network pairing not in the same region, this is a different region. So this pairing we can call as the global network pairing. Okay, just remaining all things okay, we will just add. So now what happened? Two pairing is automatically created. Okay, then after finish you just waiting for the updating. Okay, just to refresh, take yeah, so VNet013 is already connected. So just we will go for our channel. We need to confirm with the VNet03. Just to click your VNet03, just to go for your peering. You can see here all, just to refresh. See here you can see VNet03 automatically pair with the. So now we need to check the peering is working on. Just to go for your VNet03 before we open here. So VNet03, right? See now you can see now before our reply. See, go for after you pairing, you can see our pairing will be completed. See, before we are no pairing, right? Okay. See now we will break our. I will show you before the difference. So you can go for up. Okay. Before we will ping our VM03 to 01. So before we can see here, we cannot ping it because request time. After finish the pairing, you can see the our pairing will be completed. So we can ping with the VM03. You just now go for VM02 ping with the your VM03 is possible or no, because we don't create the here. So just we will go for VM03. Same we will try to ping with. We will try to ping with ping 10.2.1.4 because we are not paired with the our VM virtual network 2 in this one. Once you ping with this virtual network, you can also will get the ping connection. So now you understand how to make the virtual network pairing, right? And also we can show you the routing. Now you understand how to peer. So I just go for now our network interface. So just to click the network interface, and here I will show you the effective routing. So we will go for our VM01 East US. So he can go here just to check your effective routing. So that effective routing, you can see your network peering. So just to click the network peering. So here you can see 10.1.01 16, your address space with the virtual network VNet peering. So here you can see the virtual network VNet peering. And also you can go in the, see here you can see 10.3.0.0 16 and address space VNet global pair. So these two are the regional peering, and see you can see here the virtual network global peering. So this is your effective routing. So now you understand what is the virtual network peering, how to you can peer with the regional peering, and you can do with the global peering. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.